Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to add recipe button to TikTok video. Due to TikTok partnership with the Whisk app, users are able to insert the recipe button to their videos. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and click on the plus button on the main toolbar. As soon as the camera screen opens, record the video or upload it from your camera roll. Now you can add a sound, use different effects and filters, insert stickers, or write something on your video. Once your video is ready, hit the next button. Then find the Add Link section and press on it. Select the Whisk option. Decide whether you want to add the link from the web or from Whisk app and choose the corresponding option. Find the recipe and add to your video. Now you can share your video to TikTok as you would normally do. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add recipe button to TikTok video. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.